How to download Firefox extensions from addons.mozilla.org without installing them. Pages at this URL site often feature buttons that say Add to Firefox. Clicking on such a button causes a Firefox extension to be downloaded and installed. I am looking for a convenient way to limit this action to the download step only, so that in the end I am left with the downloaded zippy file in my disk. Thanks. P.S. The following approach is not only inconvenient, it doesn't work. Inspect the HTML for the button, and extract a URL like this URL. Give or take the stuff after .zippy. At the command line prompt, download this URL with Bourget or curl. This download attempt just hangs. Even if it didn't, I'd like to find a less cumbersome approach.
In Firefox, right-click on the download button and select Save Link, as has always worked for me.
Go to the add-on you want to install and just right-click on the plus Add to Firefox button and select Save Link As. After downloading the file, just go to File and GT, open File and just select the extension you have downloaded. Work like a charm for me.
Open the add-ons page in a Chrome browser. Then right-click on Add to Firefox link and click Copy Link Address. Open a new tab and paste the same link there. Hit Enter. It will download the zippy file.
Don't know about older versions, but in new Firefox there is a setting in About column config page called browser.altclick, which if set to true, will allow you to download the zippy files or any files without directly running it. Worth giving a try if you don't prefer right-click or your context menu is too long.
If you want me to go, please consider subscribing.